Let's talk about measures of central tendency. Now, we will be talking about ungrouped data. Based on what I told you earlier, that ungrouped data is a data or a datum wherein the scores are simply individualized. They are not a part of a grouping or a particular range. Now, we are going to talk about measure of central tendency. We are going to determine what are the scores that are lying at the center of this data set. So that's the meaning of measures of central tendency. Scores or data which are almost at the center of a given distribution or score. So let's say we are going to find out what's the mean of this, what is the median, and what is the mode of the data set. Now, to find out our mean, we are going to follow the formula. We have summation of x all over n. Wherein, we are just going to consider all the scores by getting the total. If we are talking about the mean, we are going to add all the scores, then dividing it by the total number of cases. So 78 plus 92 plus 76 plus 81 plus 92 plus 80 plus 81 plus 85 plus 92. Then this will be divided by the total number of cases. So there are, how many cases do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 9 cases or 9 as a total number of scores present in this grouping. Now, let us add 78, 92, 76, 81, 92, 80, 81, 85, and 92. So here, the total is 757. Then, dividing this by 9. So our mean now, or the average, is equal to 84.11. Approximate. So that is now the mean of our given data set. Now, what is our median? Remember, we are simply talking about ungrouped data, and to determine our median, we just have to arrange first our scores from the lowest going to the highest, or you have to arrange your data set in ascending order. So here, let us identify what is the smallest score. Our smallest score here, we have, okay, 76. That is our smallest score. Then followed by 78. Okay. Now, after 78, what is next? We have 80. Okay, we have 80. Then after that, after 80, we have 81. There are two 81 scores. So 81, then another 81. Then after 81, we have 85. We have 85. Then what's next? We have 392 scores. So 92, 92, and 92. So we have now the arrangement of our scores. We already arranged our scores from the lowest going to the highest, or in short, ascending order. Ascending order, meaning from the smallest one going to the highest. So here, determining our median, of course, we are going to count the number of scores, the total number of cases. So here, the number of cases, we have 9. Okay, and 9 is odd. So to determine our median, we are just going to identify what is the middlemost score. So here, we just have to divide this by 2. So our number of cases, we have 9, dividing this by 2, so we have 4.5, and rounding off 4.5, this is equal to 5, which means to say the fifth position is our median, or the fifth order in the given data set is our median. So what is our fifth in position? We have, this is the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. So this is our fifth. Therefore, our median is now equal to 81. That's our median. Now, how about what is our mode? In our example, we are going to consider the scores or score that appears most frequently in a distribution, or the score that has the highest number of appearance in a distribution. And here in our example, it seems that we have 92, because 92 appears thrice in our data set. And based on the definition, mode is simply the score that is appearing most frequently, or the score that is always being repeated. So in our example here, we have 92. So that is our mode. Now, we have now our measures of central tendency. Our mean is approximately 84.11. Our median is 81, and our mode is 92. So this is all about how to find out the measures of central tendency using Ungrouped data.